Hello everyone. Not everyone has the right state of mind and body in this pandemic, but almost everyone has a webcam. In a digital world affected by COVID-19, digital diagnosis, both mentally and physically, is more necessary than ever. Our main aim is to make healthcare, which should be both mental and physical, accessible to everyone anywhere on this globe who is in need. Our web app keeps track of your mental health, suggests customized playlist according to your mood as a therapy, helps you by alerting your family and friends when you grow suicidal, and checks for your symptoms for probable disease diagnostics. And even you can talk to our counselors by booking a call on this website. So now let's see the working of the same and techniques invested in it. First of all, you need to log in using the email ID already which has been used to sign up. Then this is the web app that we have prepared. Now further seeing the working of it is the emotion recognition API. This has already recorded my emotion, as you can see. This is the plot of my emotion in these 10 to 15 seconds. Now it can suggest music according to my mood, that is neutral, as you can see this. It can already also lead to a section called laugh with the jokes. Yes, these are some of the jokes to lighten up your mind if you are sad or something else. You can also talk to our counselor with a section that has already been placed. Here we can book a call with the counselor. And we also have its friendly chatbot.
Hi.
If anyone who is mentally not well and gets depressed or suicidal, he or she, if uses any of the text indicating suicidal words or depressed or sad things in her text in the chat.
I'm really sorry you're going through this. I'm here for you if you need me. I suggest you to spend some time with nature or listen to music. Let me know how do you feel now, sad, depressed, suicidal.
Whenever I will try to click on these buttons, then my alternative phone number of the relative will automatically receive an SMS saying an alert that your friend is in a danger and he wants help. This way we can obviously save precious lives. After that, I will attach the video which shows the sending of message. As you can see here. Now let us move forward to the symptom checker API that we integrated in our system. This way you can check probable diagnosis or probable diseases according to your problem. Like I'm selecting a body location here, arms and shoulders. Now you can see that it has come to choose for body sublocation. I am selecting arms general. Now let's see the third option here, symptoms in body sublocation. Like I'll say pain in the limbs. Now it will offer a complete calculated diagnosis. As you can see that I may have cold or flu, and we can suggest general practice in internal medicines department in healthcare to show that to which department or doctor you should consult. That's all for our project Body Frame, our web app intended to help everyone physically and mentally.